What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another KeyShot tutorial. In this video, we're going to talk about the new KeyShot Web Viewer. The Web Viewer is an incredible advancement in scene sharing power. With just a couple clicks, your KeyShot scenes can now be uploaded, viewed, configured, and shared with others. There's no installation necessary. The Web Viewer works on desktop and mobile browsers, so you can now view your scenes from KeyShot on the go. Let's take a closer look at how exactly the Web Viewer works. So the Web Viewer does require both an active subscription to KeyShot 11 as well as KeyShot Web in order to upload. But anyone and everyone can freely view a scene that has been shared with them. So right now you can even check out an example of the Web Viewer right now with the link in the description of this video. But how exactly do you upload? Well, if you have something that you'd like to share with others, you can find the upload option in File, Upload to KeyShot Web Viewer. You'll get this window, and let's go over just a couple of the settings here. They're broken up into three main sections. We have Quality, Privacy, and Cloud Storage. Under Quality, we have the Texture Quality slider, which lets you control essentially the overall quality of your textures. And by default, this is going to be set to 80%. There are more advanced quality settings available within this checkbox. With this slider, we can set the maximum size that the environment resolution will be scaled to. And similarly, with this slider, we can set the maximum size that the textures will be scaled to. And then this last slider will control the compression quality of your textures. But for most situations, you can just use this overall quality slider and you should be good to go. Now, baking textures. Baking textures will enable the Web Viewer to support more advanced materials and features such as labels. For this scene, I'm going to definitely check this on because I have a couple textures and labels on this chair that I want to maintain. The Add Mobile-Friendly Textures option, that adds a separate and lower quality version of your textures to use on mobile devices. So this is really just for better and faster performance. If you or someone else is going to view your scene on a mobile device, it might be a good idea to check this one on. Under Privacy, you can set a password to protect your scene, and we'll set one as an example. And then lastly, Cloud Storage. So each KeyShot user is allotted a limited amount of free cloud storage space. So you do want to be aware of the scene size before you upload. And that's exactly why we package first, then upload. So it's kind of broken up into a two-step process. So we're going to hit Package. And then KeyShot will let us know how much space this Web Viewer scene will take up. And this scene here is small enough, but if your scene happens to be bigger than the remaining storage, you'll get a warning here with a link to your KeyShot Cloud account. And within your KeyShot Cloud account, you can manage storage and view or delete previously uploaded scenes. All right, next step after packaging is, of course, uploading. And then after uploading, you'll be provided with a link for viewing and sharing. And I'll just click on this link and it will open in my desktop browser. And as you can see, I'm now viewing that KeyShot scene in my browser. I can totally rotate the camera around. I can use the touch-friendly layout controls to actually change the material on my chair. I can even open this link and view it on a mobile device as well. There's so much flexibility here. And now, what I want to point out is that these material variations are kind of unique to the Web Viewer and something that I really, really love. So let's actually jump back to my KeyShot scene and take a look at what's going on here. So those material variations that we just saw in the Web Viewer were created from this multi-material. The Web Viewer will use your submaterials to automatically create material variations for you to flip through. So there's no need to open the configurator wizard at all to create these material variations. They will happen automatically if you are working with multi-materials. It's really just one less step to get you going with configuring your scene, and I totally love it. But of course, you can go into the configurator wizard to further customize the Web Viewer. Within the Layout tab, you can adjust the interface and styling. And as an example, I can come in and change the active border to an orangish color, which after uploading again to the Web Viewer is reflected there in that touch-friendly layout. So there's a lot of customizing you can do to the Web Viewer. You can also come in and set up model variations, use environments, and other aspects of the configurator wizard in your scene to control the web viewer. Let's check out what the web viewer can look like with some model variations as well as material variations using the configurator wizard. So here in this scene, I have 3 model sets to show different compositions with my chair. In that configurator wizard, under the parent models tab, I've checked all 3 of these on, and you'll see after uploading to the web viewer that I now have the option to flip between model and material variations. I can display this chair in its standard position that we saw. I can even switch to this model variation with this collection of scattered chairs and change all of their materials too. So the fact that multi-materials are pulled in automatically is great for anyone just getting started. But for those looking for more control, the configurator wizard is that solution. Overall, the web viewer is an amazing new feature that will help you share your models with anyone from anywhere. So if you're looking for that realism and that configurability on the web, then be sure to check this feature out. As always, if you're interested in learning more about KeyShot, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to let us know your thoughts on this tutorial in the comments section below. And if you found this video useful, give it a like and a share. Thanks for watching.